good, y'all? This your boy Teddy, and I'm back with another vlog. So today, man, we're gonna be doing a couple of things. About to do a shoot at a surprise happy 50th birthday party. I don't know if I can hear the music in the background. Hopefully they don't copyright me for this or nothing. But yeah, be here for a few hours, and then after that, we going to the studio with Ray, Real and Explicit. Get some behind the scenes footage, you know. So busy day, good money today. Other than that, you know, here we go.
Scrambled eggs. Please grab my keys, grab my purse, grab my jacket off to work. Beaming all the way.
Okay, y'all. So we just finished up the shoot for the the surprise birthday party. That man is so lit. It was awesome, yo. You can see they still cranking, but I have other obligations, so got to cut it short. Been here for about 4 hours though, so we got a lot of footage, a lot of good pictures and stuff like that. Right now I'm about to meet up with Real and Explicit Ray, and we about to hit the studio and yeah, about to make it do what it do. So once I link up with her, I'm gonna come back right quick. So